Today on Just Dad Things, we're going to replace an N80 Purge valve on a 2012 Passat Volkswagen. First, you want to take off the this intake contraption. You want to get these off with the torque screw.
Sign?
Oh, okay. You done?
I don't want to be recorded.
Edit
me out.
Well, being off. Unscrew these. Now this it's 4 rubber grommets you got to pull up on. You can see I already broke mine the first time I tried it. Come on. There it goes. Once you get one, the rest go easy. Tug, and I think that one's just, no, it's not broken. That's how you get your cover off. And your air filter, if you ever need to do it, is right there. All right, the main attraction, that's the N80 valve. Now they come with a non-reusable clip on this side, so I went to Home Depot and bought some clamps. So we're gonna replace that. This side, it is a reusable. First, we're going to unplug it from the computer. A screwdriver if I need. Let's see, does that work? Nope. All right, you just get that with your finger. That's pretty easy. Ugh. There it goes. Okay, time to get the non-reusable clamp off. There we go. Perfect. Look at that. So you get a knife underneath it, and you can get it to unclamp. Perfect. Put that on first, and then shove your hose on the new one. Oh man, that ain't going nowhere. That'll go like so. So go ahead and just push this back on. Okay. Put your other hose back on. If I can shimmy this back. Perfect. Plug that back in. Swing. And we're done. Now we just gotta put the top cover back on and hook up the intakes.
Baby.
That's it, we're done.